house for sale in Houston, Texas to do a fix and flip and make $30,000 profit in 3 months. The after repair value ARV is $300,000. You need $50,000 for the remodel, $20,000 for closing costs and realtor fees, $10,000 in Harmony loan fees, but if you have $240,000 cash, you can save $10,000. You can buy this house for $190,000, and after we sell it for $300,000, you can make $30,000 profit in 3 months. If you are a real estate investor looking to buy houses to fix and flip in Houston, Texas, please send me a message. And if you're interested in becoming a real estate investor, I can help you connect with Harmony lenders and contractors so you can do your first fix and flip and make $30,000 profit in 3 months.